I want to make a black. I did my best. I was sick. Moment of silence, please. It has not been easy. Crochet girl or not, everybody loves Bath and Body Works, right? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, I am Money Central, and here's what's going on. It's been fall for a couple of weeks now. It's the season of warm drinks, pumpkin season, and the weather's getting cooler, which I'm glad for. Out here in Vegas, it hit a big high of 108 time, and that was very hot. But that's not what this is about. It's about something I've been thinking about attacking for a long time now. I had a little confession to make. I have been in a crochet slump. Like, I haven't picked up a needle in weeks. I haven't been inspired. To be honest with you, I haven't picked up a hook in a while. My creativity has been all over the place. But I'm getting to the point where I am missing the hobby of crocheting and making stuff. I think I'm finally getting that urge back to crochet. So in today's video, we are going to attack this crochet slump and how to get out of it, because obviously the holidays are coming up. Halloween, Christmas, winter, and all that stuff, and people are gonna be asking for stuff, and I'm gonna need to be ready when that time happens. There's been a lot of content ideas I've been bursting out with, and I want to attack those. But in order to attack those, I need to get out of this crochet slump. Earlier in September, I was really sick, so I wasn't able to do nothing at all. Like, I was sick. I feel like this video is going to give me a fresh start, fresh inspirations, fresh everything. I just need a fresh start before I start crocheting for this whole season, this whole year. So if you guys been in a crochet slump with me, please let me know in the comments. We're going to attack this crochet slump together. I do get overwhelmed and overstimulated a lot. It has not been easy. Crochet slumps are okay. It happens. You can go through crochet slumps, writer's block, creator's block. It's the same thing, but with different activities that you love. It's okay if you feel in a slump. Like, nobody's perfect. I had a few half-finished projects sitting around staring at me like, hey.
How y'all doing?
I think like this whole fall and upcoming holiday season has inspired me again. Oh, and before I forget, I want to introduce myself again. I am Money Central. How you guys doing? It will be a big help if you just guys take at least 5 seconds to subscribe right now. So I'm gonna give you guys 5 seconds to subscribe right now. Oh, you guys subscribe? Oh, awesome. That's so awesome. I appreciate every subscribe and like and all that. So without further ado, I'm gonna start planning. All right, so here are some ideas that I'm thinking about. Obviously one of them is like granny square therapy, maybe some scrap yarn pumpkins, headbands, ear warmers. Also, this is a season for ruffle hats again, so that will definitely be, but I want to make something small in this video because the ideas are so big, but once I go for a big idea like that, I need a plan. So I kind of need something small to get started and then work my way up, if that makes sense. Throughout this list I just made, I'm gonna go with pumpkins because why not? I made a couple of pumpkins last year, which turned out cute and was obviously pumpkin season right now, so why not make some pumpkin? And maybe I might pick another project to add to it, but as of right now we are doing crochet pumpkins. We're going to crochet some pumpkins because that's so cute, and you can make them small and cute or big and gigantic. I'm gonna go through my yarn stash to see which colors that I want to use because obviously there's a lot. guys, so it's officially the next day and I have been making some progress. I started it yesterday and this will be a 10 pumpkin. I want to make a black pumpkin and a white pumpkin. When you see it, you will understand what I mean. So I just did about 30 chains and then I am doing half double crochet. I'm going to keep going for at least 24 rows before I sew them together. I do have some polyfill that's in my closet, so I will pull it out when I am ready to fill up. So I just wanted to show you guys my process. I have been crocheting for that long, like maybe a month or so since my hiatus from crocheting. But anyway, made me think of other things that I can make. I just want to start with smaller projects before I get into the big giant project. So that is my progress there. But I do want to show you guys, I just came back from Bath and Body Works and had a little sale. So I'm going to show you guys what I got real quick. I hope that's okay. Crochet girl or not, everybody loves Bath and Body Works, right? Except for some people. Every girl that I know likes Bath and Body Works. So let's get into this real quick. So I did get the candle like I promised because, you know, I wanted a candle. And this is Frosted Cranberry. Thinking about what is my scent. Is it sweet vanilla-ish? Is it fruity-ish? Then I've been attracted to cranberries for a minute. So cranberry smells for the fall winter season. So this might be the go-to for that. So this is Frosted Cranberry. It smells really good. It smells really good. And this will probably be my scent for the fall and winter season. They just had their Christmas candles out, but I haven't made up my mind yet. So I'll do that another time. But anyway, it really smells good and I will light this up as soon as I can. The next thing I got is this wallflower. They had a sale. I'm like, you know what, why not? And I bet they have Frosted Cranberry wallflower, but I'll wait till they get on sale to grab some of those because I'd rather get them on sale. But that's just me. But anyway, and they also had the Sparkling Summer Room Spray. So basically this is a set. So it was 75% off. So I got a good deal on these two, which was very nice. So I will put this on my wallflower and spray this in the room so it will get that smell. I have no doubt it will smell good, even though summer's basically over, even though it's not. Once again, it's getting cooler here. So yeah, that's what these will be for. And I can't wait to use them. So the next thing are these 1000 Wish and spray. I was running out the lotion and the spray anyway, so I needed to get some. But the difference is their tops. So their tops is different. So yeah, I have an old spray, so I guess they're doing new stuff with their tops, which is fun to me. It smells the same, basically. It smells the same. So no matter how different you do it, it smells the same. So basically that is what. So I was running out of these. These smell so good. Want that set smell again. So that is what these are. And yeah, that's it for this Bath and Body Works haul. Hey guys, it's been a few days later and trying to be a little more put together on camera from now on. Why? I had to update you guys because I have made the black pumpkin with a 6.5 millimeter hook and turned out pretty cute. Now all I have to do is sew, let's stitch them together. And I done the 10 part of it already. I just need to sew it and stuff it, and then they will turn out to be pumpkins. But now I am doing like a white one with a 4 millimeter hook. Obviously it's a little slower and stuff, and I have been learning like a trick of how to get my straight edges together. As you can see, the edges are straighter than normal because I would just normally go with the you chain 2, then you try your work and just keep going, but it leaves the edges a little less desired to make sense. So I want to teach you guys a little thing that I learned from TikTok. TikTok is the place to be, okay? So I just finished with my row right here, so I'm gonna turn my work right away. So here's the yarn behind me. So since I'm doing a back loop, I'm going with this hoop right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm going through that loop, then I'm gonna do like a crochet right here. See, something simple, right? You just normally keep going, but you not just yet. So I'm gonna go through this loop right. Hard to see, but it's white, but I'm gonna go through the second chain real quick. It's hard because based on my tension, I can do things a little tight. See, I got it. So I'm gonna do my single crochet here over that loop. You see, I can do the 2 loops right there, and then I yarned over and loop over those 2 loops. It's basically a stack single crochet. Basically, I'm just stacking single crochets together, but it does leave the lines even, and then I just go with my half double crochet in the back loop as normal. I want to do like tutorials and stuff because I think my best seller will be right now are my beanie hats, and I will show you guys that in another video. I want to start selling those maybe this holiday season and open up an Etsy account so I can start selling those. I was just going back and forth with the pricing, so that's probably something that I need to get my hands on and stuff. I'm slowly cooking, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna finish this pumpkin here. I might do maybe 14 or 15 rows. It's gonna be real small, and then I can get the stuffing and do all the other things. I'm gonna finish these rows, and then I'm gonna sew all of them together and then do the stuffing in all of them, and then I will show you the final product. Got the polyfill. I just got this from Walmart. You can get it at Walmart, Target, Michael's, or any craft store. Speaking of craft store, can we give an RIP to Joann's real quick? 1 minute of silence, please. Alright, so I finished all the half of the pumpkins. They look like, this is what they look like without any stuffing on them. So it's very easy. So I feel like you gotta be careful with this part because it only fluffs on how much that you make it. So we're gonna start with the smaller one here. It seems not that bad, but it's supposed to be a pumpkin. So obviously we're not done here. So you can stuff the pumpkin as much as you like. I don't think, it depends. Now, if they had any colored polyfill, that would be awesome, but this is what we're gonna work with today. So once I close this up, it's gonna obviously shape like a pumpkin like this. This is what it should look like if you're doing like small pumpkins. Now, obviously for a medium pumpkin, you're gonna need a little bit more, just a little bit more. So I did this one with a 5.7 millimeter, which came out great, but the downside to this pumpkin is I think I ran out of the light tan, and I need to find some soon or some type of alternate for it. So once I close this up, it won't be as bad, but the effect is just the same basically. Yeah, so once I close this up, fluff it up, so it might need a little bit more. Obviously the bigger the pumpkin, the more filling you're gonna need. So it's like it's filled up already, and we need to get it together. So don't look like a little squash right now. As they say, trust the process. Now we're gonna stuff this bad boy. This is the 6.5 millimeter one, the largest one ever. Obviously this gonna need a little more stuffing than the other ones. So it's like, this is my first time doing multiple size of pumpkins. So if you don't know what it looks like, this is what it looks like so far. This is what it should look like as I'm finished. I think this black pumpkin here will be like, I can put like a white top stem or whatever it's called. So yeah, this is very interesting. Obviously I haven't closed this out yet, so I'm gonna stuff it as much as I can, and maybe if it's too much stuffing you might need to take some out. I'm just testing the morale of it. It's like, unfortunately, you can see the stuffing. If they had like black stuffing or any color stuffing, that would be awesome. You won't be seeing as much of this. Obviously, we need to be careful with that. Some parts it's going to see, but it's going to be in my room, so I'm not really gifting it to anybody, so only I will see it. So I just need to be more careful on how I stuffing it so we can get the desired length that it needs. So that is what it's going to be. So it's exciting. So I'm about to close these up and kind of form them so it can possibly look like this. So I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so it's next day obviously, and I just want to show you guys the finished product. So here's the white and black pumpkin. It's so cute, isn't it? So this is done, so she is pretty and ready to go. Then we got the tan pumpkin. I still deciding what stem that needs to be, so it's probably gonna be like a brown, so I'm probably gonna sell with that, but it's gonna be cute anyways. But here's the tan pumpkin, but you can definitely see the puffing a little bit, which is fine. So I might do like single crochets next time. But here's the one I was really excited about. The black pumpkin with the white stem. It came out pretty, although I'm still seeing like the filling here, so that probably gonna take some time to get used to. Like I said, it's gonna be in my room, no one's gonna see it. Here's the black pumpkin. I did my best. I squished it and everything to make it like pumpkin. I did my best, and that's all that matters. Here are the 3 pumpkins, so I might decorate them in my room somehow, sometime today. Here are the pumpkins. So do I feel like I'm out of the crochet slump? I do feel inspired again. I do. I feel like my creative juices are flowing again. I'm thinking of ideas again, and I'm looking at stuff. Ooh, I want to make that, and it's gonna be a lot. It's like I'm excited but nervous at the same time. But this definitely taught me that I need to be a little more organized with my ideas. It's nice to do stuff on top of your head, but sometimes I just had to really lock in with the idea so I will be able to execute it. Because there's also some projects that I want to do. I think this will be good enough. I feel like I'm out of it for right now. I feel the urge to keep going. So I think mission accomplished. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed yourselves, and I hope I inspire you guys to get yourself out of the crochet slump if you're currently in one, which I can totally relate to. So I hope you can get yourselves out of that crochet slump or that creative slump. It could be anything, basically. Just get yourself out of that slump. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm finna go. I want to say thank you guys for watching. I very appreciate it. And if you want more videos like this from me, please subscribe, like the video, turn on the notifications so you'll be notified, and follow me on my social media. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.